Hi everyone, this is Fix Programmer and today I'm gonna share a quick answer for what is JavaScript. JavaScript, often shortened to JS, is a lightweight, interpreted object-oriented programming language with first-class functions and best known as the scripting language for web pages. The first ever JavaScript was created by Brendan Eich at Netscape in 1995. It is one of the most popular and widely used programming language, and we could see that JavaScript stands first in the list of commonly used language and second in the fastest growing programming language. The big companies like Microsoft, PayPal, and Netflix use JavaScript. JavaScript is widely used in browsers for adding an interactive behavior to web pages, and it also used for creating web and mobile apps and building and developing server-side applications and also for game development. It has a huge community support and investments by large companies like Facebook and Google. And at last and most importantly, by learning JavaScript, you could get into a well-demanding jobs like being a web developer, mobile app developer, etc. And by building some amount of work experience in this field, you could able to get into a well-paid job in big companies. So friends, that's all about JavaScript in a minute. Thank you.